So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the backend development tutorial number 9. So we already uploaded our 8 videos. So this is our 9 videos. Those who haven't watched our 8 videos should go to our playlist. I have provided the link in our description box. They can click here and it will land them to our 8 8 videos. So they should watch all those 8 videos, as we have studied a lot in those 8 videos. We have studied about PHP, XAMPP, how to install. We have executed one basic program also, and even we have learned in last video about syntax. Those all are very important. Below our playlist there is a section as Python programming languages course is also going on. Those who are interested, they can watch it, as we all know that Python is one of the most demanding subject in today's world. So without wasting much of your time, we will come to our backend development tutorial. So today we are going to learn about comments in PHP. Comments in PHP. So this is our tutorial number 9. I have already mentioned you that this is our ninth video. So basically, what is comments? Comments are nothing but if suppose a user writes any of the program, and suppose I will take an example, means suppose you write any of the code and you give your laptop to your friends to study those code. You have suppose 500 lines of code. Then in that case you have to mention the comment line, so that he should get the basic idea about why for which code you have written what function, means for which is applicable, means line 4 to 5 what is there, line 5 to 10 what is there. So for that it is used. So basically comment line can be done in two type. There is a single line comment and multiple line comment. Single line comment is used to comment a single line, and multiple line is used to comment the multiple line. But there is a single symbol for all, then for both of these. Like there is a forward slashes for you can see this slash in below the shift left hand side of your keyboard. You can see this is the single line comment, and for multiple line you have to give forward slash and multiple sign or abstract and abstract plus this forward slash. So this is multiple line if you have to comment the multiple lines. Okay, so these comment lines are very helpful for getting others to understand your code, and even you can for you will also remember your code, that for what reason you have written this function. After a long time, if you open the your code, you can easily get it, because the thing is that the human brain doesn't remember those all codes at a longer period of time. So comments are very useful in every languages. Comments plays an important role. So basically I will tell you what comment lines all are. So suppose we have written here one function. Above that I can write as single line comment, this is echo function. Okay, this is echo function, suppose, and I will give a save button. Okay, and I have already told you that for executing any of the program you need to start, means for executing any of the PHP program, this should be green. Okay, we have to minimize this, even you can cancel it, no problem. After that you have to go to your browser. Okay, you have to go here, and even you can refresh it from here also. See, this is getting printed. Okay, but the thing is that this is the useful of the comment line, that this is echo function is not getting printed here. You can see it's not getting printed. Suppose that I will omit it at once. I will check what I will remove this forward slash and I will check what happens now. I also don't know what will happen now. See, we are getting one error, this one error. So the thing is that we have unexpected t string, so we need to give this line. Suppose that we have 1000 lines of code. Suppose I will copy these two lines. Okay, control C and control Z, and suppose I will paste it, control V, control V, control V, control V, means so suppose we want to comment these two lines. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we have to comment. So we will do single abstract, and we have to comment till here, suppose. like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 hello world should be printed. 3 hello world should be printed. Once we will check it that we are getting the same output or not. So you can see 1 2 3, I think 3 is printed, hello world 1, hello world 2, and here 1 hello world 3. So 3, all of these 3 were printed. So one thing also I would like to tell you that I will remove all these things, all these, all these things I will remove it, and I will show you one thing. Suppose we can comment it here also. This is echo, this is a printf function, like this we can enter it in comment line. So what do you think, the output will be printed or not? We will see once whether. So in this case it will be getting printed, because I have already told you, see, I have already told you that a single line comment is used to comment a single line. So in this case hello world will be printed, after that this is the printf function, so the line is not there, no. In next line he has to print thank you for your support, so it will also get executed. So this is one of the benefit and key point that you can write below the comment line also, below the code, so it will be easy to understand any of the viewer or any of your other friends to read the code, or you can also recall after a long time. So this is all about today video about the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please like, comment, share this video with your friends. Thank you.